Church's chicken. Num 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 num. Oh, 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 oh.
So who got the money to pay for the dinner?
This video is sponsored.
Oh my god. And this video is sponsored by Church's Chicken.
I wish.
Use our discount code
all
when you go
the
to the drive-thru.
fried okra.
Free fried okra.
Free fried okra.
That's your nickname. Oh.
He would always get mad at me because like, you know how like there's musicians. Magicians. You're
confusing musicians and
magicians. The people that make music.
The people that make music. Musicians. I can't even fucking say it now. Musicians. The people that make music, the musicians. Okay, they in Vegas they like play on the bridges, and I would like start dancing, and then Brody would be like, "What the fuck?" We do. I want churches, but I kind of want Chinese. So I'm saying like, so we'll get like one number 4 here. Yeah, and then the next place. We'll
okay, but I ain't sharing my Panda Express.
I'm not sharing my Panda. I'm not sharing my Panda. Oh my I'm not sharing my Panda.
Oh my gosh, you guys know.
No ma'am, no spam, no turkey, no ham. I'm not sharing my Panda Express. But we can share this.
I will eat like one of their dry ass biscuits to become YouTube famous with no water.
I love that. Oh my gosh, we should do like the biscuit challenge and
with
be
no
like,
water.
oh my gosh. He's like, oh,
that's what they call me.
Tater tot. Well, I want a number 4 and I want an extra biscuit.
What's the number 4?
It's the spicy 4 tender strips. Welcome to Churches. We'll be right with you.
Hey, what does that entail? The grande meal.
So should I just get one number and we'll share it?
Yeah. Were you getting a number 4?
Yeah.
They're just chicken tenders.
They're chicken tenders.
And you dip in hot sauce.
Can I get the number 4?
Would you like that with a Coke?
Do you want it with Coke?
Why not? Add the calories.
With the Dr. Pepper, please.
Okay, anything else?
And then can I get a large fry with that?
Okay.
Oh yes.
And then can I get a side of okra?
And I want an extra biscuit.
And then can I get 2 extra biscuits?
Anything else?
I'll give you a
and lots of hot sauce, please. That's it.
11:21 at the window.
Thank you.
That's cheap. 11, 12,
Cheap.
21.
For 3 biscuits, okra, 4 chicken tenders.
I can pay for the okra.
And
It's mine if you want.
I'm eating a couple.
Dude, they're large.
Yeah, we're
Their large is like bigger than my dick.
Anything's bigger than your dick.
How would you know? You peek at me? It says lip therapy. You need it.
I
your
need lots
bottom
of therapy.
lips.
I fucking hate people like us and look at us.
I hate you.
We need to hurry and go eat. Like we need to get on top of a cliff.
What are we eating for dessert?
Cinnamon bites from Taco Bell.
Exactly, to end the fucking night. To end our lives.
To end our gastric bypass.
Gastric bypass.
There goes my gastric bypass. That is disgusting.
You are an
All the gum.
What? Go
You're
show
an
them, show them.
uncensored swine.
No!
You're uncensored swine.
Move, Emily. It's fucking gum. Like when I get tired of chewing, I put it there. It's like when I get tired of my man, I just leave him to the side.
Well, you never get tired of chewing on me.
Get out and start walking, and I'll pick you up when the food's done. Because I've had enough.
I look so gross. Look how fat I am.
You're not fat.
Stop.
Stop. We'll just eat and we'll feel better.
We'll eat and feel better.
Thank you. And then, can I get my drink as well? No, you're fine. Oh yeah. And then can I get honey mustard sauce?
We didn't get our okra, I don't think.
Are you sure?
Is it in the box?
Yeah, it's in the box. Oh, thank you. Is it in there?
I don't know, I can't see.
Well, hurry before you just need the drink.
Where did it go? Here you go.
And then I think
We're missing our medium okra.
we need our okra. Is there biscuits in there?
They're in there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat one of them either, so I got an extra one.
I love biscuits.
No, there's 3. There's 1 in here and 2 in there.
Yeah, and I don't know why I ordered 2 extra because
Their fries are good.
I don't want.
Gravy.
I don't like gravy.
I like gravy with my fries.
Ew.
I like to dip you in gravy.
I'm the brown gravy to your chicken fried chicken.
Did you buy that since we were?
No.
Thank you so much.
Oh fuck, no they didn't. Look how small that is. That's okay, we got waffle food coming.
Baby, we have one more food place and one more dessert place. We'll be fine. And if you want okra, I can come back.
I know they barely give you anything.
But this one sucks. If you go on the other side of town, it's really good. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm not looking at my fries sauce. Okay. I'll stop eating, I promise. This is my last fry.
Why can't we eat it? Oh, because we're gonna eat it all at
Eat it
once.
all at once.
It's just an appetizer.
I'm so hungry right now.
And
Their larges are disgustingly huge though.
Like big.
It's disgusting. Like, that's like why Americans are fat.
It's like the most Coke you should have in like a year. Like literally, it's like
is.
it's like super size me. I already am, but
Super size me again, bitch. I guess I can turn here.
He's like, oh, bitch.
my glasses are hurting my eyes, but I can't see without them. Probably my obesity kicking in.
I'm going into diabetic shock. But I still want some Panda Express, so.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
It's so like cloudy, like it's weird.
It's cause shit.
Or, like,
Did I tell you I got ran off the road the other day, Caleb?
No.
This guy literally ran me off the road and was like cussing at me. And I called my dad and he's like, I'm gonna find him. He like got in his truck. Then our like college, like at the gym, like I was at work and we were like getting threatened. And they were like, clear out. And I was like, let's clear out. And then he was like, no, you guys just stay quiet. And I'm like, I ain't gonna die today. So I called my mom and they're like, we're coming to come get you. And I was like, my family really love me.
You have such good parents.
Okay.
Oh, I want
Fucker.
that shrimp something.
Oh my gosh. Film it. We're here.
I want to sample it.
We're here. We're here.
sample.
We're here. Oh my gosh. We should eat. Oh my God. I got orange chicken with rice.
Coochie King.
And then this is the churches. Everyone put up your food.
Ooh, look at mine.
Thumbnail. You're covering everyone else's. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ooh, this orange chicken is fresh.
It's hot.
Mmm.
It's so hot.
Oh my god, they listen to me. They're full.
You mom.
The lid's still on. Oh, and I got a side of chicken.
Is there straw in there?
This tastes kind of fishy too. Is there soy sauce?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Maybe you should turn just a little bit, Emily. Like back up and turn
Do you guys want these?
I'm good.
Now I can start eating.
It was like the worst Monday I've had in a long time.
We like cooked it fresh.
Please sponsor us.
Some chicken.
Oh, I forgot I had okra. Where's
What the
my...
fuck? I got so freaked out just now.
I just heard dog bark.
Where's my honey mustard?
You ate it all.
Mm-mm.
You have your biscuit on my binder, bitch.
I know. So, how's school for you guys? Are you guys almost done or what? Like
I'm
this
done
semester?
tomorrow.
That's cool.
I'm done next week.
So what did you get in your bowl, Emily?
I got rice and orange chicken. And that's like all I eat from Panda Express.
Me too. Oh, I forgot I had chicken. This chicken's kind of spicy tonight, huh?
Did they not give us hot sauce?
No, they do.
Probably
I
not.
asked if you wanted it. Oh,
No,
Fern.
from churches. Oh, wait there. Is it in that bag?
mm-mm. There's nothing in that one.
Are you fucking kidding me?
That's not good.
Churches, you messed up a lot.
Churches, y'all suck.
You step up your
On
game.
Main Street and whatever.
Dorset.
Y'all fucking suck.
I'm here on the McDonald's at Dorset. They didn't give
So
us barbecue sauce like we asked for either.
Those motherfuckers.
You guys asked for barbecue sauce? I just asked for honey mustard. When I asked for honey mustard, he was like, didn't say anything, and I like turned around and he was like,
Their rice is so good.
so we're planning my birthday party tonight. We're like getting stuff ready for it. So, if you guys have been to Vegas, there's a gnat in here.
I love eating.
Where's on you?
Well, fucking, okay, just watch it, bitch.
It's okay. Oh, you should leave the window down. That's nice.
Anyways, so if you guys know of any
Oh yeah, that is nice.
clubs or cool stuff
like
in
a fast
Vegas,
food restaurant in here.
if you know any clubs or cool places to go in Vegas, let us know. Because we're going there this summer. I'm turning 21.
Churches is only good with hot sauce.
I know.
Mine's. Baby, you need to get your brakes fixed. I feel really awkward eating in the car right here because that corner right there is where all the homeless people stand. We're like rubbing it in their faces. We're all,
There's no one there though right now.
but in general.
It's their turf, Emily.
We're causing problems in their turf.
Turf war.
I feel like everyone's gonna hit us.
I know.
College will be paid for.
Oh my
I'll
god,
cause
that guy just waved at us.
It's probably my uncle.
Why would you?
Just kidding.
Oh my god.
This looks like a chicken wing. Look at this.
You guys want some of this teriyaki?
No. I don't think so.
If we hit us,
If we,
if somebody hits us, this is the plan.
why would you say that?
Act like our backs are broken so college would be paid for. Get it, got it good?
Mm-hmm.
Ellen, if you watch this, pay for my college.
Ellen, what the fuck?
My ecologen, I said, not college.
We love
What's
Ellen.
ecologen?
Oh.
Do you think Church's chicken will be good in teriyaki sauce?
No. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go home and throw up after this.
That's really good.
Is it good?
Very good.
Really?
You like teriyaki sauce that much? You just licked it.
You just like
You
it.
just licked it, so yeah. Oh my gosh. You just added.
Don't judge.
I'll call it with Tabasco sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm. It's
love
way
hot
too
sauce.
spicy.
Hi, baby. You It does get really spicy. It used to not like affect me.
This?
No, Tabasco.
Yeah, my mouth is on fire, guys.
From what? You look like you're gonna cry.
Don't judge my genetics.
This is my last meal. I'm going out with a bang.
So we're gonna start tomorrow. That's what we fucking said in the last mukbang. It's like, oh, 3 years ago.
We were literally like, we're going on a diet tomorrow, so we're gonna eat
I'm
salad.
gonna insert it into this, okay?
You wanna at me?
I keep feeling like I'm gonna choke. Maybe I should just stop eating. Maybe that's my body saying that I'm full.
It hurts to eat.
But I guess I feel like I'm on the 600-pound life. I'm like, I don't know why I do it.
Like we just left the doctor's office and they're all, you need to lose weight. We're all.
Yeah, and I pull up to like freaking.
Can't stop, won't stop.
And I'm like, I know it's wrong, but I can't help myself. It's the only thing that makes me feel
The doctor's off. We're all eating in front of the doctor's office.
Dr.
Sorry, Dr.
Malzahn, help
Shoemaker.
me.
We're done. We're done.
So what's for dessert?
Taco Bell.
You want Taco Bell? Or we could go to Dunkin' Donuts and get a donut.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna throw up. But yeah, I'm down.
I literally don't fit in my work shirts anymore.
Oh my god! We should have done this! I feel regret! I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry!
It's okay, the big man upstairs got this all covered.
That bite was so loud.
We really could still go on a walk. It's still daylight.
But we have to do that planning and
Heartburn.
But just
have
the stars
heartburn,
have
too.
started, so we can't.
The
We
what?
have to watch Dancing with the Stars.
Oh my god, 5:30. I was trying to chew my chicken. It started 37 minutes ago.
okay, so we just got done eating our food and we were like
Are we
dying.
not supposed to open these yet?
But we're gonna, you can. But we're gonna do our fortune because you can't go to Panda Express and not eat fortune cookies or whatever because, yeah. I don't like fortune cookies. I just look at my fortune. Which it doesn't come true if you don't eat it, is what they say.
Mine says an unexpected event will soon bring you fortune. Fortune.
Do you want it? Mine says...
What? Did you not break it?
I broke the top to get
That's
it
a talent. You got a gift.
Thank you. It says, you will be traveling and coming into a fortune.
Mine says,
Vegas.
any troubles?
Maybe I'll meet my future husband now. I'm sorry, baby.
What you say? What?
I'm thinking about doing something. Anyways. Any troubles you may have will pass you very shortly.
In bed.
I was gonna get out and run around the car.
Why?
Because I feel so bloated.
Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. We're really fat and disgusting, but we love food. And yeah, we have a lot of cool videos coming soon. Don't forget to check out their channels. It'll be linked down below. And if you want to see another mukbang with us, tell us where we should go next. Or if we should have other people in it. But yeah, that was it. Do you guys have anything to say?
No.
Bye. What you done?
It's all. It was like, bye.
Ready?
You're like doing like.
And bye. Bye.
Support us, so our next mukbang will be hopefully sponsored.
Exactly. And it's right in time for summer. They have a lot. And it's right in time for summer. They have a lot of cool different glasses. And if you buy a pair of glasses, Caleb will show you his titties. So go